Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 Carrera S. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's look around the car and make sure there's some scratches. There's a scratch right here. So the outside of this car is in good condition. Now let's take a look inside. Let's have a look at the passenger side. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Have a look at the steering wheel. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.